Hey guys, what I have for you here today is some AirTags. Yes, Apple AirTags. They're the greatest things ever. If you want to track things, if you want to keep track of anything, people, products, items, luggage, doesn't really matter. These are the way to go. This is a 4-pack. They come in singles, multiples, any kind of configuration you're looking for. I just want to show you what they look like. I have them right here. So they come in this 4-pack that I received, and you can see there's 4 here. And they're super easy to do. Once you turn them on, you put them next to your phone and they automatically just connect. But this is what they look like when you first get them. And they have little plastic on them, like a little paper. And you pull that paper off, basically. And I have one here already. It's kind of taken apart to show you. What you can see is that inside here is the actual device itself. Each one of these does come with a battery, which is important. Each one of these comes with a battery. And the batteries just sit inside. And they just last quite a while. It tells you when the battery's running low. It gives you all the information, and all you have to do is basically pop it in, and then you just screw it down. It's really easy to do. Once you get it lined up with the correct, you can just twist it. You can hear it beeping, just like that there, and that is activated. So let's put this to the side. We're going to show you how to just activate it, how to hook up your phone. But once you have it turned, once you have it battery installed, you hear the little noise it made. You basically put your phone near it. Okay, unlock my phone. Okay. And now I'm going to put my phone near it. And it's going to actually just read it just like that. If you can see that, it says AirTag is, they actually see the AirTag. And that's simple as that. Okay. It's that easy to connect. Hit connect. And then it asks you, backpack, bike. It gives you different options you want to do. You can custom name it. So let's just say we're doing luggage. Hit that, connect with luggage, hit agree, and bam, it's hooking up luggage. And now it's going to connect this specific one here. And you could do 4 different ones to this specific AirTag. Now it knows its location, hit done, and that's as simple as that. And if you want to remove it, just go to Find My, just search Find My, and it brings up all your stuff that you're looking for, and hit the remove button, and it's just that simple. Hit remove. It actually removes it from the device, and that's it. That's all you have to do. So definitely easy to use, easy to activate, and easy to track. Definitely highly recommend this item. If you're looking for a fantastic quality item, I highly love this item. Thanks for watching.